Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S25, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, we're gonna need to hold the power button and... which one is it? Volume down? Yep, the power button and volume down. And once you have the boot options show up, you want to hold power off. As you can see, this changes into safe mode, which we will confirm by selecting it once again by tapping on it. This will now reboot the device and boot us into safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device can start it up. So there we go. As you can see, we are now in safe mode. Some of the applications, even that come pre-installed with the device, or you would expect that they do, are also not going to work in this mode. So some of those applications will be things like the browser. If you try to open up, it tells you that the app is disabled. And there should be, there we go, more on the second page. So a bunch of the applications that are super mundane, like clock, browser, calendar, tips, notes, and so on, are turned off in this mode. They are turned off even though they do come with the device. The reason they are disabled right now is because they do download themselves without your permission. I want to also point that out after you boot up the device. So when you are forced to connect to Wi-Fi network, they will start to download in the background while you're going through the setup process, and therefore they are not inherently default applications of Android. So that's why they are turned off. And any app other that you have installed yourself will look in the same way and also will not be available to you in this mode. Now, once you're done with it and you want to go back to normal mode, hold power button and volume down again, and this time around you just select restart. The device would boot back up, and when it does, it automatically boots into normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.